select FNINT and key in slowly. Key in exactly what is stated there. Can you please do so now? And give me the answer. So this is 1 mark. So you have 1.5 minutes to do so. So everyone, please do that. I will call anyone I like. $1.5 minutes. Okay, Gerald, the answer? Gerald? Gerald, can I have your answer? Gerald, if you didn't respond to me, I straight away deduct one mark from your SAT too. Okay, you forced me to do that. Gerald? Gerald, can you hear me? Dan, can you give me the answer? Can you talk? You are still solving. How to solve? You are supposed to use your GC, young man. Your GC is broken. Then when are you going to replace your GC? You tell me. This one you can't integrate. So what are you going to work on it? How are you going to work on it? You bought again yesterday, bought again. Okay. When you're very lucky, I call you your GC broken. Okay. Is it Yu Shen? Yu Shen, can I have the answer?
85.11.
Thank you. 85.11. Okay, so that is called evaluate. So there will be 2 marks for you. You just key into the calculator and you get the 2 marks. Okay, second one, maybe you can try. So you just have to be very careful, okay? Okay, you may want to try this. Okay, I'm going to time you 1.5 minutes also.
Ms. Doe, I'm getting
Yes.
an error when I do this.
Oh, you got an error. What error do you have?
Does divide by 0.
You got what error? They give you math error.
Syntax?
Divide by 0.
Syntax error because you didn't put this as negative. When you key in this, that's why you have to be very careful. I told you right from the very beginning, you are supposed to use this button, not minus.
Miss,
That's why you got syntax error.
Miss Doe,
Yes?
it's giving me an error, divide by 0.
Why you got error divide by 0, me?
Yeah, mine also.
Same.
So what are error they give you?
Divide by 0 error.
Oh, it said contain division by 0. Okay, maybe. So that means I just simply come up with the question. Okay, so that means there's something not right. Maybe you try to change. You try to change this to 0 and see. This one change to 0. Then see whether they give you any answer or not. You just put second trace, then change it to 0.
Now it's fine.
Now it's fine, correct? Yeah. Okay, thanks for the person who put in the chat. Okay, so everyone should be able to get the answer already, correct? Adriana, what is the answer? Adriana, can I have the answer?
Hold on, miss. My calculator is calculating.
After you change to the 0. Your calculator is calculating. It takes so long to calculate. Cairo? Cairo?
It's negative 4.41, miss.
Yeah. Cairo, may I know what is your answer? You see, when I call you, it takes so long. May I know why? Negative 4.41. Okay, so you will get 2 marks easily. So be very careful. I will check through all the things. Okay, so if during the exam, maybe I have some mistake. So if you got some error in using your calculator, you can straight away tell me. Okay, so this time human error. Okay, so you look from just now 9 marks, now it's 11 marks. So there's no reason you can fail already. Okay, I'm telling you, so it's 42. Okay, so now I'm going to go to another one. Okay, so when I teach you, I also tell you the things about integration is antiderivative, correct? So we will come up with a question, always go like that, given that, okay, fx is equal to x ln 3x, for example. It's up to me how I want to write it. Okay, so now, first part of the question. What will be the first part of the question? Can someone give me the question? Can someone give me the question?
It's
Find f prime x.
Okay, find f prime x. Or I want to be nice to you. I will ask you to show that f prime x is equal to ln 3x plus 3. Correct? I will ask you to do like that. So second part, what will I ask? Can someone set a question on this? Can someone set a question on this? Hello. You know how to set the question, you sure can get A+ for your exam already. Because you're better than the teacher already. Yeah. Hands. Okay. Someone have asked me to do that. Hands. Fine. I modify a bit. The exact value of, okay, exact value of integrate 3 ln x, 3 ln 3x plus x. I modify a bit, okay? Dx from x equal to 2 to x equal to 5. Okay. I do like that. Okay, this part, I'll give you 2 marks. And this part is a bit difficult, so I give you 4 marks. Okay, so you got 6 marks already. Okay, now you start to do. First part, show that f prime x is equal to that. You better apply your quotient rule. You cannot do shortcut because I asked you to show. Then second part, how to do. Question 1 is wrong. This one should be 1. Correct? This one should be 1. Yeah, you are right. Show that this is 1. Thank you. Here is 1. You see?
Oh, why is it 1, miss?
Huh?
Why is it?
You differentiate, then you will know.
Okay, never mind.
You
Yeah.
differentiate first. You differentiate first, then you will know it's 1. So you got around 9 minutes to do this question. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Are you done with the first part? Okay, so I'm going to give you the answer for the first part. So I will apply the products rule and I will write down properly. So that's how I get the answer. Writing down this answer, you will not get marked. You will only get marked here. Okay, you only will get marked here. Okay. After you got that, then part 2, you should know how to start. I told you already. Whenever you want to do this type of question, don't look at dates. Always start from here. Okay, you may want to continue to try. You have to start with this step, integrate. Then what do you get? Then continue to modify it. Until you get the integral out, then only you so this one, you have to start with this step. That is to test your understanding of. So you will get 1 mark here straight away. You don't have to put plus C because this is a definite integral. Then if you have plus and minus, what to do? Okay. If I got plus, then what to do? I can split. Okay, if you want to jump step, you can do so. Here plus become minus, but I haven't integrated yet. If you got it right, then you write it like that. You will get another mark here. Then you go back to the question and have a look at this. There is a sign here. 3 times. So what I can do is, I can write integrate 3 times of this is 3 times of this. So then finally I can go back to the question. So the integral of this, you get it from here. So I write down. Then the integral of this, you should know how to integrate. Power plus 1 divided by the power. Closed. 2, 5. Then substitute. There you get another 2 marks. So I have 15, ln 15 Take away 15 plus 25 over 2. Take away 6 ln 6. Take away 6 plus 2. If the number is too big, you don't have to combine the ln. Okay, so all this you just take out your calculator and calculate. -4 plus 4. Okay, the rest, the number here, I leave it to you to calculate. This 2.5, -2.5. Is it plus 3 over 2? Am I right? So my answer is correct. Huh? So you see, so over here, so this is the most important step. We want to give you the under. So over here, you get 1 mark. Then you got the final answer 1 mark. So you just have to be very patient and do it step by step. That's it. Don't rush. When you come to doing maths, correct, you don't rush. You have to know how to go about it. That is how you do maths. Don't look at the problem. Look at what you have and what can you do to help you to solve the problem. If you look at the problem, definitely you can't do. You get what I mean? So can I move on?
Miss, can you explain the fourth line
Which part?
again with the -3x?
Okay, look, because the reason why I put a times 3 is because of the question. You see or not?
Yep.
So you have to know this is the integral of ln 3x dx. You get me? So I don't simply multiply or divide by a number. I always go back to the question. Okay, anything else? So if you talk about solving this part, correct? So you look at here. I will start with like that. I know this one I can split. If you want, you can write it like that. Nothing wrong with that. So you know that your issue now is not this part. This part you can find. The issue is this part. So that's why you see I work out from here first. I get this done first. Hello? Okay or not?
Yes.
Yeah, drawing upper rectangles and lower rectangle, everyone should be very familiar already. Yeah? I'm not going to talk about that. Yep. So you can imagine, I can add the mark for you. 11 plus 6. 20, and 17. So in this class, can anyone tell me you are going to fail your exam? Can you fail your exam? You definitely won't. Okay. So others will be talking about rate of change, the application part. So any question in the application part that you want me to explain to you in the textbook? Actually, I get one of the questions from the textbook. I can tell you. Under the application, I took one of the questions. I modified definitely. I won't come out exactly. I'm very good in combining questions. So any question on application that you want me to explain to you? Exercise 5D. Did you all try all? Hello.
Miss Lo.
Hope so. Okay.
Miss Lo.
Yes.
Can you go over question 10 on page 150?
Question 10, page
150.
150.
Yeah.
Page, hold on, page 150, question?
10.
Oh, question 10. Okay, no problem. Okay, they say a metal tube has a annulus cross section. That means they have the common center. There is a meaning of annulus. Okay, one, the radius is R1. The other one, the radius is R2. Yeah, as shown. Within the tube, a liquid is maintained at the temperature T0. So this part is the liquid part. Okay, this is the liquid. Okay, the temperature is maintained at T0. So that means this part, the temperature is T0, okay? Within the metal, the temperature drop from inside to outside according to this. Okay, so this is dt over dx, according to the distance away, equal to k over x. So what are the possible value of your x? May I know? It starts from this point. It starts from this point to this point. May I know what is the possible value for x? It starts from R1, maximum R2. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, and I know one more fact. When x equal to R1, t equal to
0.
T0. Agree? Agree? Okay,
Yeah.
so far that is the information I collect from that. So they say where k is a negative constant and x is the distance from the central axis, show that the outer surface has the temperature of that. Okay, first of all, we have to find the temperature function. So if I want the temperature function, what must I do? I must integrate the rate of change function, am I right? So I can get the temperature function. Okay, so I must integrate k over x dx. Am I right? So do you know how to integrate that? Do you know how to integrate that? Ashley or Brandon? May I know what is the integral for this? Hmm? Hello, Ashley or Brandon?
K is negative constant, right?
It doesn't matter. After that, only you talk where K is a negative constant. Later we will handle that. Hello, Ashley or Brandon? Ashley Tam, Brandon Gunn. Are you in my class?
Yes.
Okay, Brandon, answer me. Ashley? So Brandon, can you tell me what is the integral for this? If I don't call you again, I tell you S83 is going to, the number of failure.
Is it K
Hello?
ln x over 1?
Yeah, K ln X modulus plus, I must plus C, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how am I going to get the C? How am I going to find this value? I use this information. So how I use this information? You look, T0 equal to K ln what? What?
R1.
R1, thank you. Plus C. So what is C? T0 minus K ln R1. So my Tx function will be K ln X plus T0 take away. This is not 2, it's T0, K ln R1. Okay, so now I want to find the temperature when it's at this position. So my X is equal to R2. So T R2 will be equal to K ln R2 plus T0 minus K ln R1. So when you have ln, so what can you do? You can combine them to one ln, correct? Done. Are you clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that okay?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, huh? Okay, now I got one more question to set. I'm just contemplating. Should I set question like in page 151, question 5? Should I?
No.
Why? Why? You think this question is very tough? Should I set the question like that? Okay, I let you all try first. Yeah, the question is A, B, C. Okay. And here is 2. Yeah, the equation is y equal to x squared plus k. They say OABC is a rectangle and the two shaded regions are equal. That means the green area is equal to the red area. Okay? They are equal. So you are supposed to find the value of K. You want to try first?
Okay.
Mm. You are supposed to find the value of K. So that is the question 5 in your textbook, 151. By the way, this is 2, not 2C. You should have your textbook with you. This is 2, and this point is point C. So you think of a way to find the rectangle OABC. Think of a way to find the area of the red region. Solve the equation, you will get the K. Someone got the answer already. Okay. So now I find the area of the shaded region, the red area. So I have to integrate from 0 to 2, x squared plus k. So this one will be integrate x squared, you got x cubed over 2, 3 plus kx, 0 to 2. So you start with 2, you got 8 over 3 plus 2k. You start with 0, everything is 0. So 2 times of 4 plus k is equal to 2 times of 8 over 3 plus 2k. So you solve 8 plus 2k is equal to 16 over 3 plus 4k. So 2k so 2k equal to 24. Is there anything? K is 4 over 3. Is it 4 over 3? Okay.
Yeah, 4, 3.
Is my answer? 24 minus 16, 8 over 3. So K is equal to 4 over 3. Yeah. So I'm right. So do you think this type of question is difficult? So if you compare this question to in one of your exercise of area bounded by the curve, I think this question is much easier. You prefer me to set this out question or set the question on? I let you choose. Page 136. Ask you to explain why. The one we have done it before. Which type you prefer? Hello?
This one, Miss.
This one, because you don't have to explain, is it?
Yeah.
I have to see whether my other question I got asked you to explain or not, because it's bound to have one. Every test, definitely there will be one part whereby we need to test you on how you communicate, how you're going to explain why this thing happened. Okay? So I'm just still haven't decided yet the third question to set. Okay, so I can tell you what are the questions I want to set. So you see or not? So there's no reason why any of us should fail our SAT. Am I right? Every SAT, Ms. Do give you the hint, Ms. Do tell you what are the important things to take notes of. Okay, so please. Yes, okay. Oh, there's no error carry forward, so don't have to worry. Like first part, you got error, correct? So second part, you use the wrong answer to answer the second part, correct? If your concept is all correct, you are using the wrong number to get the right answer, I will still give you mark. You get me? But just now, like this question, okay, look, like this question, correct? There is no way. So if your first part, you cannot get the answer correct. So when you come to the second part, if you don't use what